Good evening, and welcome to the Room 32 News at 6. Joining us tonight is a man not only known for his brilliance in the discovery of gravity, but also his plethora of other important discoveries. Please welcome Sir Isaac Newton himself. Hey Eric, it's nice to be here on Room 32 News. It's great to have you here, Isaac. So tell us a little bit about yourself. Well, I was born January 4th, 1643 in England. I am a physicist, mathematician, astronomer, natural philosopher, alchemist, and theologian, and I am considered by many scholars and members of the general public to be one of the most influential scientists in history. In fact, my 1687 publication of the Principia is considered to be among the most influential books in the history of science, laying the groundwork for most of classical mechanics. Can you tell us more about this Principia? Certainly. In my Principia, I describe universal gravitation and the three laws of motion which dominated the scientific view of the physical universe for the next 3 centuries. I also showed that the motions of objects on Earth and of celestial bodies are governed by the same set of natural laws by demonstrating the consistency between Kepler's laws of planetary motion and his theory of gravitation, thus removing the last doubts about heliocentrism and advancing the scientific revolution. Sounds interesting. Although I'm sure Principia wasn't your only piece of work. No, it is not. I also built the first practical reflecting telescope and developed a theory of color based on the observation that a prism decomposes white light into the many colors that form the visible spectrum. I also formulated an empirical law of cooling and studied the speed of sound. We have a short video clip of Mr. Newton's most important discovery.
Even before Isaac Newton's day, Apple's phone always dangles and never upwards. No one thought about it. That's the way things were. Isaac Newton did think about it. Why? Does it dangle? What causes collisions? This question led Newton to develop the idea of gravitation as a universal force. These holes were the stars.
So Mr. Newton, what is your inspiration for this theory of gravitation? It all happened one day when I was sitting outside admiring nature, when I looked up and noticed apples falling from a distant tree. I went over to find out what was going on. Sure enough, when I walked over and sat under the tree, an apple hit me on the head and I wrote down my theory of gravitation. It just came to me. Very interesting. It was great to have you on the show, Mr. Newton. For all of us here at Room 32 News, I'm Eric Davis. You stay classy.